With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, the question A. A satellite is revolving around the Earth in a circular orbit at the height of r/2 from the surface of the Earth. Which of the following are the correct statements about it? And the m is equal to mass of the Earth, r is the radius of the Earth, small m is the mass of the satellite. So let us consider this is the Earth, and the radius of the Earth is given, that is equal to r, and this is given, this height is what, h is given, this height is what, r/2. This is the r/2, and this is what, r. So total r we can write, this is equal to 3r, and divided by 2 we can write, this is the total r we can see. Now mass of the Earth is given, that is equal to m, and the mass of the satellite is given, this is equal to, let us consider this is the satellite, and the mass of this satellite is given m. So first option we can see its velocity is this √2 gm divided by 3r. So this is moving around the Earth, clear? So here we can see that this centripetal force, gravitational force, provides the centripetal force. So for first option we can see that this gravitational force, centripetal force, is equal to what, mv square, and divided by r, and this will provide by the gravitational force. So gravitational force is equal to what, g m, and divided by, we can write, r square, and this is equal to m v square, and divided by r we can write, clear? Now from here we have to write we have to find the v value. So from here we can see that this small m cancel out, and this 1r to this r cancel out. So from here we can write v square is equal to g m, and divided by, we can write r value, clear? This r value we can write, and r is equal to what, 3r/2. So we can write from here v square is equal to g m, and divided by, we can write, this is the 3r, and divided by 2 we can write, clear? So from here we can write this v square is equal to, this is the 2, and g m, and divided by, we can write, this is the 3r we can write, clear? This. Now v is equal to what, v is equal to, we can write √2 gm, and divided by 3r, this, clear? Now according to option we can see that √2 gm divided by 3r. So this is the right option we can see. Now coming to the B part of this question. Total energy is equal to this. So total energy is equal to what? As we know, total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. So total energy equal to, right, and this is what, potential energy, gravitational potential energy, and plus kinetic energy we can write, clear? Now this potential energy is equal to, as we know, this is equal to minus gmm by r. So this is equal to minus g m divided by r, and r is equal to what, 3r/2, and plus kinetic energy is what, 1/2 mv square, and v we have found it earlier, and this is equal to, we can see from here, v square is equal to what, 2 gm divided by 3r. So we can put 2 gm, and divided by, this is the 3r, we can put this. Now we have to solve this, and this is equal to, we can see that this is equal to minus 2 gm, and divided by, we can write 3r, and plus, we can see that from here this m and m, this 2 and 2 cancel out. So from here we can write this is equal to g and m, and divided by, we can write, this is what, 3r, clear? This gmm divided by 3r. Now from here we can see that this is what, potential energy part, this is the potential energy part, and this is what, kinetic energy part we can see, clear? Now total energy is equal to what, from here we can see 3r, we can take LCM. So this is equal to minus gm mn divided by, we can write 3R. So this is the total energy. Now we can see from option this. Total energy is what? Minus Gmm divided by 3R. Yes. So this is also correct. Now its kinetic energy is equal to this. Kinetic energy is equal to positive. You can see from here. This is the kinetic energy part and this is what? Potential energy part. So kinetic energy is the positive, but here it is given that this minus Gmm by 3R. So we can say that this is the wrong option. Now its potential energy equal to Gmm divided by 3R. Here we can see that potential energy is equal to what? Minus 2 Gmm by 3R. So we can say that this is the potential energy part. So from here we can see that this is also wrong. Clear? Now only A and B is the right option for this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.